Hey everybody, my name is Blake Sammons and welcome to Living Charleston. Today we are in Summers Corner, which is in a fantastic neighborhood up in Summerville. We're going to talk to you about the neighborhood, the schools, the shopping, and some of the special things that make this neighborhood fantastic. This is 161 Country Gate Lane. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, over 2,500 square feet, and it's going to be listed for $475,000. This house was built with 10-foot ceilings. It has tons of really tall windows that let in lots of natural light, and it is perfect for entertaining and hosting events. These homeowners spared no expense when it comes to entertaining. They wanted to make sure that their living room felt really comfortable, so they built this beautiful gas fireplace that has a reclaimed hearth. This kitchen is built with top-of-the-line appliances. It comes with a 5-burner gas stove, quartz countertops, and an island that is so big, it's practically a dance floor. Walk-in pantry? Check! This closet under the stairs is so big, we're actually taking a shot inside of the closet. Perfect for storing anything, or you can make a fort. All of the bedrooms in this property are located upstairs. They've got great closets and they've got carpet. And in this bedroom, it even has access to the front porch. This primary bedroom has got a huge walk-in closet, 9-foot ceilings, and a great ensuite. Check out all this storage and room for activities. Wow! One of the things that people love most about living in Summers Corner is the access to amenities, jogging trails, tennis courts, dog parks, playgrounds, pickleball courts, and pools, and they even have a coffee shop that is built in the neighborhood. If you would like more information about this property or other houses in the Charleston area, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to connect with you. And for more videos about living in the Charleston area, make sure to like and subscribe below.